In this screencast, I'm going to give an example of adding references to LaTeX. First of all, I'm going to add references to figures and tables in the text, and then I'm going to add bibliographic references, which are article citations. So first of all, I open the document, and I created a figure in a previous screencast, and I want to now refer to this figure in the text. I can begin by adding a label to the figure, and this label can be whatever I want, but it should be unique to that figure, so I'll call that label figure weight. And now I can refer to that figure in the text using that label. So if I go down to the next paragraph and write figure, and this tilde means a non-breaking space, so the space won't break over lines. Then use the ref command, and in this ref command I should put in the label of the figure I'm referring to, so that's figure weight. So now if I go and run the document, open that. You can see that it's automatically added 1.1 to refer to the figure I want. And now what's good about that is if I add more figures in afterwards, the reference to the figure will update automatically, so I don't have to worry about numbering figures. So now I'm going to label my table. I'll do the same thing again. This time I'm going to use the VariaRef package. I'll go to the top and add that in. And VariaRef allows you to refer to tables and figures, but also onto what page they're on. So if I go back to the table. So if I add in here, same as before, tilde, but I do vref, now that's the vref command instead of the ref command, and run that again. Go to the next page. You can see it's added the table number, but it's also worked out which page it's on, and it's added on the preceding page. And so you can do this to, if you want to refer to a table or a figure, but it's not near where you're referring to it, you can use the vref package to help the reader find which page the table is on. So that's using labels to reference figures and tables. Now I'm going to do article references. And to do that you need a bibliography file, and this is what a bib file looks like in LaTeX. You have authors, title, and the journal, the references in month, number, etc. And it's kind of a key value format where you have the key and then the content in these curly braces. And all of that is within this article command, which begins with the @ sign in the article. And then this blogging is the key I've given to the reference. So it means I can refer to this article in my text using this key blogging, but this can be whatever I want it to. So to go back, first of all, I need to set my bibliography file in the document. And the name of my bibliography file is bibliography, so I just type that in. I don't need to add the .bib at the end, because it knows it's automatically a bib file. And I also need to set the style of the bibliography. And I'm going to set that to plain. And that's the bibliography style details how the references appear in the text, as well as how the reference list appears in the document. So that just adds the bibliography to the document, and now I want to cite the article I've got in my bibliography, and that is with the cite command, like that. And then within the curly braces, I add the reference key, which, as I said, was blogging. Now to add references in a PDF document into a LaTeX, I'll first run PDF LaTeX. Then I need to run bibtech on, and that generates the bibliography file that then LaTeX then uses again. So I run that once and twice more. And if I open that once more, I go ahead here now, you can see that I now have the one referring to where I put the citation in the text. And zoom out. I now have a bibliography automatically added to the document and referring to this, referring to the citation. But as you can see, the text isn't quite right because it's not capitalized here. But if I go to here, it's capitalized here. So LaTeX has ignored the formatting of the text. So just to force LaTeX to have the formatting as you have it in the bib file, I add an extra curly brace to each side of the title. So I run that once more. PDF LaTeX, bibtech, and then PDF LaTeX. You can now see that the formatting of the title and the capitalization is preserved in the document.